Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Aavya.
Aavya, full name?
My name is Aavya Singhal.
Very good. Okay, what are you doing?
I'm solving the puzzle.
Solving the puzzle. Okay, total how many pieces? I think 110 pieces, right?
Yes.
So now Aavya is going to make solve the puzzle with these pieces.
Small.
Very small pieces, correct. So each piece is unique. It's said having the unique shape. No other pieces are similar to that particular piece. Okay, now start.
Okay. First, we make it border.
Okay, first we are making water.
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. But do you know who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
Wow, very good. What is our national anthem?
Janagana.
Jangad Man.
Man.
Oh, very good. In which class you study?
PP2.
PP2. Very good. Okay. So now she is making this puzzle very fast. Okay.
First line is finished.
First line is finished.
Yes.
Okay.
Second line also finished.
That the second line also finished. Now two more lines is remaining.
Yes.
Two more lines are remaining. Okay.
Here.
Here and another one.
Here.
Bottom. Oh, very good. Just make it fast.
Hmm. I'm searching the piece.
Okay, search fast. It's thundering outside.
It's thundering all outside.
Yes.
Raining.
Raining also. It's raining.
Raining also.
Raining and thundering.
Raining and thundering.
And lightning also.
Lightning also.
Okay, just make it fast.
Here, piece is gone.
Missing?
Missing.
You search. Maybe in this it will be there.
No. See, here, piece is gone.
Okay, just search.
Missing.
No, not missing. You search. Maybe it will be there here only.
Hmm. It's it's
Okay, got it.
no,
Okay.
it's tight.
Okay.
No,
This piece will not come.
Yes.
Search.
Here search. Hmm.
Okay.
This.
Okay.
This one.
This one it will come. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Here search line. This last one.
Okay.
Border is finished.
What has finished? But this piece is missing here, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Border
Maybe.
is finished here.
Okay. Now you search those pieces, middle pieces.
Yes.
Okay.
This umbrella. Umbrella.
Okay. Yes. Make it fast. Everybody is waiting for you.
Yes.
Okay. So make it fast. Don't waste others' time.
Yes. Mm.
Where you missed that piece? That piece where you missed? Somewhere?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. After solving this, you search later. Okay?
This.
Okay.
This. This. This.
Okay.
Mm.
What is your favorite color?
Pink and purple.
Okay.
Dark pink
Dark.
and light pink.
Okay.
Mm.
Which is the national bird?
Peacock.
Okay.
This. This is. Would you just choose that? No. It's such a car. This. This here.
You know how to play chess?
Little bit.
Little bit. Okay. You can defeat your father? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Means you are good chess player also. You are very good chess players. Chess player. Where are you going? Make it fast. Make it fast. What happened? Yes? What is that? Cockroach?
Yeah.
Cockroach. Okay, with that cockroach only you are having fear, right? Oh, ho, ho, ho. Okay. Just to let it go. Okay. It should not get killed. Okay, so we have to slowly we have to make him out. Okay, no problem. Oh, it's creating so much disturbance. Okay. Okay. Now it went. Okay, chal. Okay, make it.
Yes, yes, yes. Finger is here. Here. This Mickey Mouse puzzle.
This is Mickey Mouse puzzle. Wow. So once you solve it, we can see the Mickey Mouse.
Yes.
Okay, okay. After solving this puzzle, please show me.
See, Mickey Mouse.
Okay. Now we can see little bit. Yes. Okay, just make it fast. Very fast. Don't take time.
See, Mickey Mouse.
Okay, I can see later. Now you make it fast. Very fast. Don't take time.
This part tight.
Okay, no problem.
This.
Hmm.
Here.
Okay.
It's here. Yours.
Okay, little more fast. Can you finish it in 2 more minutes?
Yes.
Fast. Okay. Make it very fast. Okay. Take the piece. Pick up the piece fast and arrange it.
Yeah. I make it.
Yes. Don't take much time. Okay.
There it is.
Take. Okay, fast. Okay. Take 2 more piece remaining. Very fast. Make it in 10 more second.
Yes.
Only 10 more second remaining. Okay. Yes. Pick up the another piece.
It's last.
Last piece. Okay, make. Wow, very nice. It's ready. Can I see it?
Yes.
Wow. This is ready. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Now Aavya did it. One piece was missing here. She will search later on. So this is the Mickey Mouse puzzle she made with 110 pieces. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.